VIVOSUN AeroLush C08 Smart Air Conditioner. Review Best Smart Portable AC for Home Use. Looking for a portable AC with smart controls and more than just cooling? The VIVOSUN AeroLush C08 combines cooling, heating, dehumidifying, and fan modes. But is it actually a good choice for your space? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The AeroLush C08 is an 8000 BTU portable air conditioner designed primarily for controlled growing environments. VIVOSUN recommends it for grow tents up to 5 by 5 feet, although actual cooling performance can vary depending on temperature, humidity, and ventilation. Its biggest advantage is the 4-in-1 functionality. You can use it for cooling, heating, dehumidifying, or simply circulating air, giving you more flexibility throughout the year. The smart features are another highlight. The C08 can connect to the VIVOSUN app, allowing you to monitor and control settings from your phone. It can also work with compatible VIVOSUN smart growing equipment, making it more useful as part of a connected setup. The unit includes temperature and humidity sensing, and its portable design makes positioning easier. It also uses a self-evaporating system, which can reduce the need for frequent draining under normal operating conditions. However, there's an important consideration. Although it is portable, the C08 is designed primarily for grow tents and controlled environments rather than being a conventional whole-room home AC. It can also produce noticeable operating noise. So placement matters if you're using it near a living or sleeping area. Overall, the AeroLush C08 is most appealing to growers who want cooling, heating, humidity control, and smart monitoring in one system. If your main goal is simply cooling a bedroom or living room, a standard portable AC may be a better choice. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you'd use the AeroLush C08.